Can
I, now you open it, Daddy. Ooh, pretty.
For 3 special boys. Big long letter. Grandma sent you hearts. Here. We're so proud of you for being a good boy at the dentist. I hope you feel better soon. You're an awesome big brother and a good helper for Mommy and Daddy. Grandma says, you have such a beautiful smile. We're happy that you love to go to school and tell Mommy and Daddy all about it. You are a good brother. I'm glad you like Bob and Larry Jr. and watch all their videos.
Bob and Larry!
And then I'll read Lincoln's later. Grandma says she wants to talk to you on Skype again soon and that she loves to hear you sing. Okay?
Open it. Ooh! Stickers.
Whoa, let me see them.
Stickers and trucks. Stickers and trucks. And a building.
What is it?
I don't know.
See.
What is this? Yeah! What is this? I love this! I love this!
Titus.
I love this! Yay! That's what... Candy! What is this? Where's Oscar? Where's Oscar? What? Is that for him?
It's a doctor set.
My doctor! Yay! He also left us a this.
Oh, peanuts.
Where's a bus? And something
Here,
else.
let me see. I'll open it. What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you. He's not Grandma. I know.
Mommy's going to send this to Grandma, so say thank you.
Thank you. See? Popcorn. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Wow. What is it? What is this?
Look at Oscar.
Oscar. Look at that.